You've learned how to count in French. You can survive prices, phone numbers, and bakery emergencies. But then someone asks, c'est le premier ou le deuxième étage? And suddenly numbers are no longer just numbers. They have opinions, they have endings. Bienvenue dans le monde de nombres ordinaux. French ordinal numbers, first, second, third, and everything after that. Let's make them friendly. Ordinal numbers answer one simple question. In what order? First, second, third, fourth. In French, ordinal numbers usually come from cardinal numbers with a small grammatical makeover. Think of it as numbers putting on a jacket and becoming important. Let's start with the VIPs. First, premier, première. For example, le premier jour, the first day, la première fois, the first time. This one refuses to follow the rules. Accept it. Second, French gives you two options. Deuxième, neutral, safe, always correct. Seconde, only used if there are only two items. For example, le deuxième chapitre, le second chapitre. Only two chapters exist. French loves nuance, especially when it's unnecessary. For most, numbers do this. Take the number and add ième. For example, 4, quatrième, 6, sixième, 10, dixième, 20, vingtième. Simple, beautiful. But of course, exceptions are waiting. Some numbers change slightly before adding ième. 5, cinquième, you add the U. 9, neuvième, F becomes a V. Just because. These are not personal. French does this to everyone. Once you know the rules, big numbers behave nicely. 21e, 32e, centième, millième. Yes, you can now say the thousandth time in French. Life achievement unlocked. Ordinal numbers agree like adjectives. Le troisième étage, la troisième rue. The only thing that changes is the article. Plural works in the same way. You add an S. Les premières pages, les deuxièmes chances. French grammar never misses an opportunity. You'll hear ordinal numbers everywhere. Floors, le premier étage. Dates, le 1er mai, but only the first day uses an ordinal. Competitions, premier, deuxième, troisième. School and rankings, la cinquième leçon. Yes, only the first day of the month is ordinal. After that, French goes back to numbers like nothing happened. You're in a Paris apartment building. You ask the concierge. L'appartement est au troisième étage? She replies, no, au quatrième. You nod confidently, you walk up the stairs, you stop. You realize you understood everything. This is growth. Pause the video and try. First, in the feminine form. Second, the more common form. Fifth, ninth, 21st. Première, deuxième, cinquième, neuvième, 21e. If you got at least 3 right, bravo. If you got all 5, you're officially ranking ready. Et voilà. Now you know how to use French ordinal numbers from première all the way to millième. No more guessing floors, no more confusion with rankings, no more panic when someone says le troisième. If this lesson helped you put French numbers in order, like the video, subscribe for more fun French lessons, and comment your favorite ordinal number below. Merci beaucoup for watching et à très bientôt for the next French adventure.